Good morning, students. Now we solve some more questions based on exercise 6.3. Question number 4. X plus y greater than equal to 4 and 2x minus y less than 0. Draw the table. X, y. Put x equal to 0. Put x equal to 0, then the value of y is 4. Put y equal to 0, then the value of x is 4. Here, put x is equal to 0, then y is also 0. Put x is equal to 1, put x is equal to 1 here, then y is equal to 2. Now draw the graph. X axis, y axis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 0. Correct? Draw the line. This is the equation x plus y is equal to 4. When you put here 0, 0, x plus y greater than equal to 4, put x equal to 0, y is equal to 0, then 0 greater than equal to 4. So true or false? False. It means shaded portion away from the origin. This portion. Next, second equation, y 2x less than y. 2x less than y. 0, 0, it means the line passes through the origin. And 1, 2, this is 1 and this is 2. Correct? This is 1 and this is 2. But you know that this line should be dotted. Dotted line. This line should be dotted because the linear inequality symbol is only less than, not less than equal to. Other which portion is the shaded portion? Choose any point. Choose any point P. Choose any point P on x-axis. The coordinate 1, 0. 1, 0. Check satisfy or not. Put here. When you put x is equal to 1, then 2 less than 0. So 2 less than 0, it is true or false? It is false. 2 less than 0. 2 less than 0, it is false. It means away from this point. Yes, look on the board. This point is P, but it is false. This point is P, it is false. It means this point not lies in the solution. It means this is the solution area. This portion, this. Correct? So which is the common portion? Which is the common portion? This is the common portion. This is the common portion. Correct? This is the solution of question number 4. Solution of question number 4. Next, question number 7. Question number 7. 2x plus y greater than equal to 8. Make the table. X-axis, y-axis. Next, second equation. Second equation, x plus 2y greater than equal to 10. X is equal to 0 here, x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 8. If y is equal to 0, then x is equal to 4. But in this equation, if x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 5. If y is equal to 0, then x is equal to 10. Draw the graph. X-axis, y-axis. Coordinate of the first equation 0, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here is 0, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4, 0 and the line, this is the line 2x plus y is equal to 8. 2x plus y is equal to 8. Okay, which portion is the solution? 2x plus y greater than equal to 8. Put x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. Then 0 greater than equal to 8. So 0 greater than equal to 8, it means 0 greater than 8. True or false? False. Therefore away from origin. This is the solution. Second equation 0, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and time 0, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The equation x plus 2y is equal to 10. Check again. Put here 0, 0. X plus 2y greater than equal to 10. When we put x 0, 0, then 0 greater than equal to 10. It is false. Therefore, away from the origin. It means this portion. The common portion of both the equation. Common portion. This portion and this portion. This is the common. This is the solution of this equation. Shaded portion. This is the answer. Okay. Your homework. Note down your homework. Exercise 6.3. Do question number 1 to 8. Thank you. Okay.